I remember this one time when I cried a lot because I thought that I was losing my innocence. Hi guys, my name is Ayushi and welcome back to my channel. This is another episode of To Anyone series. So, I remember this one time when I cried a lot because I thought that I was losing my innocence. And this time was around 2018-19, I think, or 1920. I think this time was around 2021, 2022, and 3-4 साल पहले ही, and I cried a lot, like a lot, just because I thought that मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था कि like am I not innocent anymore? like मैं कुछ चालाकी करने लगी हूँ क्या लाइफ में, या मेरा इतना दिमाग चल रहा है कि मैं चालाकियाँ करने लगी हूँ लाइफ में. एंड आई लिटरली क्राइड क्योंकि यार मुझे ऐसा फील हुआ कि मेरे अंदर जो बचपन, लाइक जो मेरे अंदर बचपना है, या फिर मेरे अंदर जो चाइल्ड लाइक एक इनोसेंस थी, आई थॉट दैट इट वॉज गोइंग अवे. There was this one time where I was like judging people a lot. I am not even kidding, guys, and saying this out loud. It's actually very it can make me feel bad about myself, but obviously I can get a lot of judgments also. But there was this time when, like in 2021 and 2022, when I suddenly started judging people, and I don't know why. And मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि I don't know मुझे क्या लगता था, लेकिन मैं इतना ज़्यादा जज करती थी लोगों को, इतना ज़्यादा क्रिटिसाइज़ करती थी लोगों को, और अप्रिसिएशन तो मेरी लाइफ में दूर दूर तक था ही नहीं. I was someone who did not appreciate people at all. Like मुझे लगता था कि मेरे हिसाब से ही सब सही होना चाहिए, मेरे हिसाब से ये नहीं हो रहा, then I'll cry. मेरे हिसाब से अगर कोई सिचुएशन नहीं चल रही, then I'll cry. Like I'll put all the blame on others, and what about me? It was not my mistake. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है. It was just the situation. And बहुत सारी ऐसी सिचुएशन बैक टू बैक होती गई, और मुझे लगा कि bro, like, have you lost your innocence? Like, where are these thoughts coming from? And then I just started working on myself. I remember that one night where I was like, bro, this is not gonna work. You are not this person, and you're not gonna think like this. Abhi bhi, like my best friend, she keeps on saying ki just you have to be strict with people. You have to mark a boundary. You have to, like, just, she keeps on saying me that you just need to have a boundary. एंड ये चीज़ मुझे पता ही नहीं थी, कि बाउंड्री भी कोई चीज़ होती है. लाइक आई वॉज दैट इनोसेंट, एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट द वर्ड, इट वॉज हाउ मच यू लेट अदर्स इन टू योर लाइफ, एंड हाउ मच यू नो सॉर्ट ऑफ गिव आउट टू पीपल. एंड आई वाज लाइक, ले लो, सब ले लो, आई एम अ डोरमेट, प्लीज़ चलते जाओ मेरे ऊपर से. एंड आई यूज टू टेक all this shit. I'm not even kidding you guys. And I did not know how to say no. Like मेरे मुंह से ये word निकलता ही नहीं था, नहीं, मैं नहीं कर सकती. No, please, I'm sorry. Like I did not use this word. उस level का I don't know. I know for a fact that everybody in this world is very innocent. और कुछ लोग अपनी इनोसेंस जल्दी खो देते हैं, कुछ लोग लेट खोते हैं, लेकिन जो भी सर्कमस्टांसेस आपकी लाइफ में होते हैं उसमें आपकी इतनी भी कोई गलती नहीं है. लाइक अगर मैं अपनी ही बात करूं, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई एम द फर्स्ट हैंड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ माई सेल्फ, तो मैं किसी के एग्जाम्पल लेने से पहले अपनी एग्जाम्पल लेती हूँ. आई थिंक आई एम अ वेरी एम्पैथेटिक पर्सन, क्योंकि अगर कोई सिचुएशन में होता है सबसे पहले मैं अपने आप को वहाँ खड़ा करती हूँ कि अगर मैं इस सिचुएशन में होती तो मैं कैसे बिहेव करती, अगर मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ तो मैं कैसे बिहेव करती. एंड अगर मैं उन लोगों से थोड़ा सा भी रिलेट करती हूँ, आई एम लाइक ओके, जस्ट बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट दे देती हूँ उन लोगों को, और फिर आई एम लाइक ओके, जस्ट फॉरगिव देम, एंड I just move on, I just stay quiet. And sometimes, like, people hurt you so much that you don't have even a word to say, Like you don't even want to say, you don't even want to explain or talk or fight. You are just so hurt that you just do not want to say. Like that is, I think, maturity, and that is innocence also कहीं ना कहीं. और जो भी चीज़ें हमारी लाइफ में हो रही हैं, that happens just because God wants, or the supreme power, or like अगर आप atheist हो तो like the energy around you wants कि you become a better version of yourself. And this is why everything in this world is happening to attain balance. And actually जब equilibrium आता है, साइंस वाले relate करेंगे, it just ends, like you know what I mean. तो शायद इस वर्ल्ड में हर इंसान बैलेंस के पीछे भाग रहा है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी ऐसी सिचुएशन होती हैं जब आपकी हेल्थ अच्छी होती है लेकिन आपके पास पैसे नहीं होते, जब आपके पास पैसे होते हैं आपके पास टाइम नहीं होता, जब आपके पास टाइम होता है तो आपकी हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं होती. लाइक द सर्कल गोज़ ऑन. एंड जो चीज़ की कमी हमें खलती है ना, हमें बस वही दिखती है. एज ह्यूमंस हमें बस वही एक वॉइड दिखेगा अपनी लाइफ में कि ये गलत है, ये गलत है, ये गलत है, ये गलत है. और आप उस चीज़ से कभी कोप अप ही नहीं कर पाओगे. आपको लगेगा कि यार ये गलत है, इसको ठीक करना है. जो इतनी सारा भंडार सही पड़ा है लाइफ में, वो तो दिखेगा नहीं, वो हम अंधे हो जाएंगे, वो हमें दिखेगा ही नहीं. लेकिन वो जो एक छोटा सा पॉइंट गलत चल रहा है लाइफ में, उसमें वी शैल बी लाइक ये गलत है, आई नीड टू फिक्स दिस शिट. बट माई डियर फ्रेंड, just appreciate whatever you have in life and stop fixing that one shit because God will do it for you. Trust me, just leave everything on Him. Look, I am someone who believes strongly and wholly in God, and I am someone who trusts and have so much faith in God. If you don't, it's like your opinion, I totally respect it. But if you're someone like me who trusts in God, just leave it to Him. He will fix that shit. Trust me. For sure. I have been in situations where I was like, सब कुछ सही था, बस एक चीज़ सही नहीं थी. And I fucked up my mental health to such levels I cannot even explain. Like, say the word, I have gone through it. Like any word, anxiety, panic attack, depression, ये वो flan ढमकाना, I have gone through everything. But now, and I have gone through that phase where I was like, I want to live alone. I want to vibe alone. अकेले रहना ही better है. अकेले रहना ही सबसे अच्छा है इस दुनिया में. And everybody in this world is alone. Okay, I get it. Everybody in this world is alone. You are alone. I am alone. We came alone. We have to go alone. But we are social beings. We need people. We need supporters. If you're happy being alone, if you're happy in your solitude, well and good. But if you're not happy in your solitude, if you like people, there are different personalities. Like I am an ambivert. I like being with people when I know them. Like I know people and I really want to be with them, then I'll be okay, fine, I love you, I want to be with you. But if I'm in an environment where I don't know people, I don't know anything about them, and I have to make friends, then I'm like, bro, I don't know you, I don't want to be in this situation, and I'll be out of it. There are extroverts also. Like you don't have to change your personality just to fit in to the whatever is going on in the like on the internet. And I was this one person who who was so influenced by these alone reels. Even though I did not want to stay alone, there was a time in my life when I was like, I was figuring out life alone, fixing my life alone. But that was not an option. Like that was the situation where I had to be alone. I did not have any other option, So I was forced to be alone. Like God made the situation for me that I had no other option but to stay alone. So what I'm trying to say is that if you don't want to stay alone, if you want to be with people, if you want to be with people you love, just be, bro. Like why the hell do you want to hurt yourself and go to a situation where you're not happy? Like nowadays I'm seeing people going on solo dates even when they're not very comfortable going, but they still choose to go, which is fine. Like I have been to a lot of solo dates, a lot of restaurants alone, and I have also gotten like an eye, but I was like, okay, it's fine because I enjoyed it, okay? But now I just don't feel like going. There was this phase, okay, where I was into solo dating, but now I'm like, bro, I don't want to go alone. मुझे नहीं जाना है अकेले, मुझे नहीं बैठना है अकेले, मुझे नहीं खाना है अकेले. आई नीड माई फ्रेंड्स, लाइक आई नीड पीपल. I need my parents, maybe. I just need my people. I need my cousins. I need my friends. Or I'm just like, I don't want to stay alone. I am in this phase right now. But agar aage jaake I'll be like, okay, I want to stay alone. Okay, I'll stay alone because I know how it feels. And I know it doesn't feel very bad because किसी ना किसी point पे तुम अकेले रहने ही वाले हो. Anyhow. But if you don't want to stay alone, make friends. Make organic friendships. Just don't run behind certain situations which are not in your control. Don't run behind people. Don't run behind, just don't run behind things blindly. एक चीज़ मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. I heard this one quote which says, you are not what happened to you, which is just amazing. Like अगर आपके साथ कुछ बुरा हुआ है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप बुरे हो. अगर आपके साथ कुछ अच्छा हुआ है, कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनके साथ बस अच्छा होता रहता है, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो अच्छे लोग हैं. और बहुत लेट, लाइक बहुत रिसेंटली, इवन लाइक इन 2024 तक मैं ये चीज़ सोचती थी कि लाइक लास्ट ईयर तक, लाइक आई एम इन माई mid-20s, लाइक late 20s now. एंड आई यूज्ड टू थिंक कि यू नो सब अच्छे होते हैं, सब अच्छे होते हैं, सब अच्छे होते हैं. एंड नो डाउट सब में कुछ अच्छा होता है, बट सब अच्छे नहीं होते. यू हैव टू सी कि आपका अच्छा और दूसरे पर्सन का अच्छा क्या सिंक कर रहा है. कुछ लाइक कुछ कॉमन बेसिस हैं वो सिंक करने के. अब अच्छे तो फिर मैं ये भी बोल सकती हूँ कि टेररिस्ट में भी कुछ अच्छा होगा, लेकिन यू कैन नॉट जस्ट रिलेट विद द टेररिस्ट, राइट. अब उनका अच्छा, जो उनको अच्छा लगता है या उनकी जो कुछ भी सोच है, आई शुड नॉट से इट, बट ओके, इफ़ आई एम गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल. अब उनकी कुछ सोच है तो उनकी सोच भी अपने उनके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ही मिलेगी. उनकी सोच, उनका अच्छा उनके फ्रेंड्स ही समझ पाएंगे. हम उनका अच्छा नहीं समझ सकते, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि उनमें कुछ अच्छा होगा ही नहीं. उनमें भी कुछ अच्छा होगा, बिकॉज वी आर पीपल ऑफ गॉड. हर किसी में कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा होता है. इट्स नॉट कि उनमें कुछ अच्छा नहीं होगा, क्योंकि उनमें भी, लाइक यू गेट द पॉइंट, राइट. लाइक थीव्स, उनमें भी कुछ अच्छा ही होगा, नो डाउट, बट यू जस्ट won't be able to relate with the values. That's what I mean. अगर आपके साथ कुछ बुरा हुआ है, या अगर even for that matter, अगर मेरे साथ भी कभी कुछ बुरा हुआ, it doesn't mean that I become a bad person. It doesn't mean that I have to be a bad person because मेरे साथ बुरा हुआ. Like bro, अगर मेरे साथ बुरा हुआ, I don't need to give bad vibes to people. It was my karma, and I don't know which karma. It was just my karma, and it came, and it happened. And I don't need to blame God or anyone else. It was just me. It was my fault. I don't know which janam ki fault, but it was damn my fault. So I just need to accept it. And वो innocence lose करना ज़रूरी नहीं है हमेशा. अगर कोई तुम्हारे साथ बुरा है, अगर कोई तुम्हारे साथ kind नहीं है, it doesn't mean that you become bad. You become sour. Life will any which ways make you sour, but it doesn't have to be so early. So, or it doesn't have to be, guys. I think life is so beautiful, and I'm still like the most optimistic, peaceful, happy person you'll ever meet. I'm not even kidding you. But just because people are not on the same bracket as you, it doesn't mean that they're bad. It's just, जैसे बनी ने कहा था कि नैना तू सही नहीं है, बस मुझसे अलग है. So that's what I mean. कि लोग गलत नहीं होते, बस हमारे साथ उनकी सिंक नहीं बैठती. वी आर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, दिस इज़ लाइक अ साइन फॉर यू कि अगर कुछ भी गलत हुआ है लाइफ में, उसको एज अ बर्डन डोंट कैरी इट फॉरवर्ड एज अ बर्डन. जस्ट गिव इट टू गॉड एंड just ask him for healing, and definitely you'll heal someday. And just accept it that everything that happens is because of you, and nobody else in this world is responsible for what is happening to you. And trust me guys, this is really true, because actually no one is responsible for whatever happens to you. It's your responsibility, it's your thoughts, it's your desire, it's your pain, it's your happiness that is leading to where you want to lead. And It's your thoughts, it's everything that you hold within yourself that will lead you where you want to be. So that is it. If ever you have felt like me that you're losing your innocence or you have lost your innocence, you have not. Trust me, you have not. Just bring this one thing back in yourself, which is forgiveness. Just forgive everyone. Forgive yourself first. बहुत बड़ी बातें सुनने को लगती हैं कि forgive yourself, forgive this, forgive that, फलाना ढिमकाना. But trust me, just forgive people. Journal it out. Like cry, journal, do whatever it takes. Trust me, you will forgive people. It's not like I have not gone through bad phases. I have not been with bad people. Not bad people, not the right people, I would rather say. But I also have forgiven them. I have like moved on in life and I have forgiven people. Call it friends, relatives, anyone. So you just forgive them and move on. That will be the biggest liberation of your life. I'm not even kidding. Like तुम उनको देख रहे हो और तुम्हें फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा. Like okay, you exist, happy for you, but we are not on the same page, bro. This is soul peace, I think, and maybe we all are running behind peace only, and that is what matters at the end of the day. अभी मैंने recently एक reel देखी just now and it's going viral. Let me show you guys. So this guy, he's an IITian and I just put it on my story on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you can consider following me on my Instagram. My name is, I'll like put my whatever you call it, like whatever. So this is the guy.
हमें लग रहा है कि आप पढ़े लिखे बहुत आईटी बॉम्बे से पढ़ा हुआ जी आईटी बॉम्बे से एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग किया मैंने तो आईआईटी मुंबई से एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग ये जाके आसमान में तो हमें कैसे प्राप्त होगा.
So this guy has done aerospace engineering from Mumbai and he is a sadhu now, if I'm not wrong. Like the words this guy is using, I can clearly see that he's a very intellectual person, but what he has chosen is, again, like we all are running behind peace, man. Like last night only I was talking to my friend and I was like, she was like, bro, like consider going abroad, and I was like, bro, I don't want to. Like I really wanted to. I was so desperate to go abroad and study abroad and live abroad, but now I'm like, bro, I'm मुझे यहाँ पीस है. लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू. मे बी नेवर से नेवर अगेन, शायद मैं कभी चली जाऊँ, बट अभी आई एम पीसफुल. आई एम ओके लिविंग हियर एंड आई एम जस्ट ओके टू बी इन इंडिया एंड इट्स जस्ट टोटली फाइन. until and unless you are chasing peace, you'll find it अपने घर पे ही यार. Just consider this video as a reminder that it's okay. Don't carry the burden that you have had since a very long time. Just don't carry it anymore. And the easiest way to loosen up that burden, like, it's just journal it out. I'm not even kidding, guys. Just journal it out. Lock वाली डायरी ले लो, छुपा के रख दो कहीं पे, and just journal, just write everything and बाद में जला देना डायरी को. But trust me, क्वेश्चंस भी आएंगे, आंसर्स भी खुद ही आ जाएंगे and you'll get relieved. I'm not even kidding. That is it. Thank you so much for watching, and just again a gentle reminder, don't carry your burden. You don't have to be what happened to you. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much. Bye guys. Stay positive. Oh ho ho ho. Oh ho ho. Oh ho 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 ho. Ishq. Oh ho 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 ho, ishq. Da 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 da.